Hey neighbors, this is Next Upgrade, your ultimate guide to upgrading your home into a smart one. And today we're exploring 5 top-notch smart cleaning gadgets to make your life easier. Kicking off our list is the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10. This compact little robot is your budget-friendly cleaning sidekick that's cheaper than the recently released models and more affordable than most robot vacuum cleaners. It's a versatile cleaning expert with 4000 PA powerful suction fan blower. That's twice the average Pascal pressure unit of old versions of a RoboVac. And like any Xiaomi smart device, you can control this little bad boy using the Mi Home app. Schedule its cleaning time, adjust its cleaning, and monitor it in real time. Plus, it not only sweeps, mops, and vacuums with precision, but also maps out your home for a tailored cleaning experience. Upgrade to clean floors without breaking a sweat. Plus, it's as quiet as a ninja, ensuring no disruption to your zen time. Say goodbye to the days of tripping over cords and hello to hassle-free cleaning, because next on our list is the Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum. This cleaning powerhouse tackles dirt and dust like a superhero's agility, giving you 2 cleaning modes with up to 40 minutes of runtime that will leave your whole house clean spick and span. With its powerful suction, lightweight structure, and versatile accessories, no crumb is safe. Eto pa, it detangles wrapped hair or pet hair automatically and is engineered to pick up any dirt and dust from hard floors to carpets. Breathe better with our third smart device on our list, the sleek and compact QT3 Portable Air Purifier. For less than 2,000 pesos, this portable air purifier gives you an 800-hour lifespan with a HEPA filter that removes 95% of dirty and viral air particles. You can have access to clean air anytime, anywhere, because this device is also travel-friendly with a quiet operation that won't disturb anybody. Now let's talk about a kitchen upgrade with the Bosch 500 series. This smart dishwasher has a redesigned pocket handle that brings a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. But the real magic happens inside. Powered by advanced precision wash technology, it ensures every dish sparkles with cleanliness. And here's the game changer: auto air drying that dries faster than the traditional way. Lastly, it also has this function of aqua stop that automatically closes the water inlet and activates the drain pump if a possible leak is detected, even if you're not at home. After all, it's not called a smart device for no reason. And last on our list is the bespoke Samsung AirDresser. This Samsung innovation removes dust on clothes with air hanger and jet air, eliminates viruses, allergens, and bacteria with jet steam, and gentle drying with heat pump technology. A smart closet companion that steams, sanitizes, and even deodorizes your clothes. It's like having a personal stylist tucked into your closet where you can have fresh, wrinkle-free clothes at the touch of a button. And there you have it, neighbors. 5 smart cleaning essentials to upgrade your daily routine. Which one sparked your interest the most? Do let us know in the comments section below and share your top smart cleaning devices as well. We'll see you next Sunday. Bye, neighbors.